Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy again. I'm back again. I'm here to revenge myself. Okay, previously, which is 2 days ago, I posted this image to Facebook, including the link to the edited version. So I got a little bit of heat from some of my fellow retouchers or photographers um, over the fact that I apparently um, overdid the image. Okay, one thing I'm going to say, editing is subjective. So everyone edits differently, you see things differently. But as a student of the craft, I did not take any offense in any of the points that were given. I took what I could, so I went back and I re-edited the uh, the the picture to this. Okay, this is where I currently stand. So one thing that they mentioned was I kind of messed up her texture, her skin texture. So I tried to keep the skin texture there. The image is not yet done, as you can see. So I just in this image, I just sorry, with this edit, I just use frequency separation. So today, I'm going to continue part two of my retouching of this image. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do dodge and bend. So with dodge and bend, like I said, uh, um, retouching is subjective. With dodge and bend, what I like to do, me personally, what I like to do is I always start with the dodge. With the dodging, all I do is try to work on the highlights, on areas that I think were hit the most with the light, or yeah, I'll try to edit areas like the forehead, the top of the nose ridge, her cheeks, uh, and then chin. Just these areas that are always that are kind of like elevated and are always the most they're the closest to the light. So that's what I'm going to do. When it comes to dodging, I'll highlight these areas right here, and then with a burn, with the bend, I'll focus mainly on shaping the face, trying to make the areas that I'm going to highlight first stand out. So I'm going to um, edit, I'm going to darken her cheekbones here, just underneath here, the cheekbones. I'll darken a bit of her forehead region, a bit of the side, the neck, just areas where I see the shade, where there's a lot of shadow. I'm just going to try to bring out a little bit of shadow, but still, I'll make sure that the my dodge and bend does not stand out too much. So okay, let's start. We'll try to keep this video 10 minutes short as well. So here we go. On my brush, I always take a clean brush. So my flow is going to be at 1, and I'm going to use a white brush. So let me okay, I'm starting with my dodge. So I'm going to do this is my way of this is how I retouch. So oh, sorry, fire alarm. I think another building is burning. I don't know why suddenly there's an increase in the number of shack fires in our town. Sad. People are at home, and uh, I don't know what's happening. Times when when people are supposed to be indoors, there's always an increase in fires and stuff like that. Sad. Okay, so like I said, my idea is just to bring out the forehead region, the ridge of her nose, because I'm just trying to shape her face. With the frequency separation, I just went in and tried to flatten the image. So now with dodge and bend, I'm just going to select regions of a face that I'll just try to make stand out. Sorry, my English is not with me. Okay. So you'll notice that uh, I'll be adjusting my brush. Right? It all depends on the size or the area that I'm working on. So just bear with me. So for those that have been with me, that have watched every single video that I've put out, I would like to personally say I appreciate your time. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comment. It's because of people like you that make me want to do this more. So I hope we manage to grow together. Even if you're not into photography, or you're into, you're not into this, but just the fact that you spend your time with me, I highly appreciate it. So if there is, okay, to my fellow photographers, whoever I kind of like asked to come and check out my work, if there's anything that you would like me to talk about on this channel, guys, feel free to just hit me up. You can DM me. You can just leave a comment in the comment section of the video, and then let's work together. Let's build something. It's a community type of thing here. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, though, I appreciate the views. I'll try my best. I'll try my level best to put out images, videos at least twice a week. That's the target. I know it's not a lot in the YouTube world, but that's my target for now, because I'm a nurse, for those that do not know. So yeah, I spend a lot of my time at work with this coronavirus going on. Coronavirus. Okay, so let's quickly do the before and after thing. Okay, that's the before, and then that's the after. As you can see, with the dodge, I just brought out the highlights, just made these areas 1, 2, 3, 4. These areas are the main focus when you're dodging and burning, so you just make those areas pop out. So at this moment in time, obviously this is too much, so I will reduce the opacity later on and just find the right tune where everything matches. Okay, for now I'm going to go to the band tool, band layer, sorry, I don't know why I said tool, and then with a soft brush as well, still keeping it at the flow of 1, still white because it's on the back, black layer, so white reveals and black hides. So if I'm to do this right now, sorry, technology, what did I press? Cancel. So if I'm to do this, if I'm to do this, whatever I do here will not appear because black on black hides. So for me, since I'm painting, I'm on a black layer here, I have to make sure that I have a white brush to allow the effect to be visible. Okay, keeping it within 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to darken these areas. I know for now that they might seem way too dark. Don't worry, I'll reduce the opacity because 1 is the lowest I can go. But yeah, with the opacity you can always make it lower than that. Okay, like I said earlier, the idea is just to make a face stand out, pop out. Editing is Photoshop or retouching is subjective, but yes, we appreciate positive criticism. Nothing will take that away. Any person that comes in and criticizes your work positively, with all honesty, I will not take offense, because I know I'm not an expert in this. So I know there are people out there that do this for a living. So if they give you hints or suggestions, always look into that. That's the way you will grow. That's the way you will improve yourself, because this is because certain people do this on a daily basis. This is a bread and butter for us. For me, I'm kind of like new to this. I love retouching. I'm actually a photographer myself. It's just that this current lockdown, I'm not willing to go out there and do shoots. I mean, I already work in a hospital. I'm already, working with people, so I do not want to give anything to anyone. That's not me. So I rather take what I rather spend this time with you guys. So like I said, I appreciate the views, I appreciate the comments, I appreciate the likes. Okay, here on the body, I'm just trying to highlight certain areas that I think one needs to be highlighted, like somewhere in the neck here. Okay, in the next video I will color grade this image. As you can see currently, there's dark tones here. There are different tones. There's a lot of tones going on. So in the next video, I'll try to work on balancing her skin tone out. Okay, let's see what we have done. That's the before the dodge, and then that's the after. Like I said, it's currently way too strong for now, but we'll fix that. Okay, and that's the before the bend, and then that's the after. Currently, like I said, it's too strong. We'll remove that. Okay, let me see, what do I need to do? Okay, let me just go on this hand, just make these areas stand since it's already in the front. Don't forget to subscribe for all the new viewers. Subscribe. I'm liking the current growth. It's not a lot, but it's way better than nothing. One like it, one subscription at a time, guys. One subscription at a time. We'll get where we need to go. Let's work together. Okay, I think for now I like where it is. So let me just try to reduce the opacity and see where can I stop, where I feel like it's there but it's not too overpowering. The idea is not to overpower facial features. Okay, let's see. My bend is now at 29%, and my dodge is at 26%. So I'll switch both layers off. Let's see, with the bend layer, you see it's there. Let me just zoom in some more. That's the before, and then that's the after. You can just see it here on these areas of the cheekbones, how it just pops in, and that's so I think this is okay. I know I might get some heat from but I think this for now will do. So thank you for watching. I hope I kept the video under 10 minutes as I thought I would. Feel free to subscribe, drop a comment, like, whatever you can do. Just let's get the video going. So in the next video I'll try to balance everything out. So yeah, just enjoy. Thank you very much, guys.